Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you replace your map lights or dome light in your 2013 Ford Fusion. So these are LEDs, so the only way you replace it is you replace this whole unit. And to get that, you're going to need to kind of pop this cover off just to get it out of the way, right? And then you need to do is you move this to drop it down, and you take a screwdriver and kind of hard to find it. You're gonna reach up in here and you're gonna see some clips that's right here, and you're gonna press the clip in. And you got another one on the other side too. Right. The clip's pushed in and pulled down, and you can pull the whole unit out. You got some electrical connectors to undo. And that's how you go ahead and remove that. Now when you've got a new one, because like I said, these lights are LED, it's all built with a computer chip here, and these are the two clips right here that are holding it into place, and they go right into this slot. Okay, so when you've got your new one, you're just going to put it back in reverse order. Connect the electric. And then slide it all up in the front there. And you just press up right there, and it all snaps back into place. Goes like that. And then you're going to want to do the same of putting that back on, snap it into place, and that's how you reinstall that one. And we've got the dome one in the back. We'll move back there. These are your map lights, and they also light up when you open up the door, or you can have the door function on. The dome light on the back is an LED. It's going to last for a very, very long time, but if it does go bad, you're going to need to replace the whole unit. You can't just replace the light bulb itself. So what you're going to want to do is from the front, you just want to pop in and pop it out. It's got a little tab here that holds it in. And that's the front of the car. Kind of just drop it down, bring it back. You've got an electrical connector to be undone, and you pull the whole unit out. And then you can get a new one, and then put it back in, is in reverse. Make sure you make the electrical connection up, slide it back in there, and the back side is pretty tight, so you're just going to want to make sure you kind of jiggle it in there, and then get this to go back in the housing there and snap into place. And that's how you install the rear dome light on your Ford Focus. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.